Welcome to educational channel of Suresh Bhatt classes. We are going to learn fast calculation tricks in which multiplication of two numbers, the sum of digits at one's place is 10 and the other digits are same, like 11 and 19. So the digits at one's place is 1 and 9 and the sum of these two digits is 10 and the digit at 10's place both are same, which is 1. Or 12 and 18, the sum of the digits at one's place 2 and 8 is 10 and the other digits are same, 1 and 1. 33 and 37, the digits at one place is 3 plus 7 is 10 and the other digit 3 and 3 is same. Or 74 and 76, the sum of 4 and 6 is 10 and the other digit is 7 in both the numbers. The multiplication of such numbers, in which what we have to do, we have to just multiply the digit at one's place and the answer we have to write in two digits. In question 1, 11 multiplied by 19. So multiplication of digit at one's place is 1 multiplied by 9 is written as 09 and the digit at 10's place is 1. So 1 and the next digit of 1 is 2. 2 multiplied by 1 is 2. So 11 multiplied by 19 is 209. The next number is 12 multiplied by 18. 8 multiplied by 2 is 16. We write 16 and the digit at 10's place is 1 and the next number of 1 is 2. 2 multiplied by 1 is 2. So 12 multiplied by 18 is 216. 13 multiplied by 7. 7 multiplied by 3 is 21 and 1 multiplied by 2. The next number or next digit of 1 is 2. So 2 multiplied by 1 is 2. So 13 multiplied by 17 is 221. 14 multiplied by 16. 6 multiplied by 4 is 24 and 1 multiplied by next higher number is 2. 2 multiplied by 1 is 2. So 14 multiplied by 16 is 224 and 15 multiplied by 15 or square of 15 we can say. So 5 multiplied by 5 is 25 and 1 multiplied by next number 2, that is 1 multiplied by 2 is 2. So 15 multiplied by 15 is 225. Now we go to the 21 multiplied by 29. So 1 multiplied by 9 is 09 we write. Next higher number of 2 is 3. So 2 multiplied by 3 is 6. So 21 multiplied by 29 is 609. 22 multiplied by 28. So 8 times 2 is 16 and next higher number of 2 is 3. 2 multiplied by 3 is 6. 23 multiplied by 27. 7 times 3 is 21. We write 21 and 2 multiplied by 3. Next higher number of 2 is 3. 3 multiplied by 2 is 6. So this is 621. 24 multiplied by 26. The sum of 4 and 6 is 10. So we multiply 4 and 6. 6 times 4 is 24. We write 24 and the next higher number of 2 is 3. 2 multiplied by 3 is 6. So 24 multiplied by 26 is 624. Now 25 multiplied by 25. 5 multiplied by 5 is 25 and 2 multiplied by the next higher number 3 is 6. Now we go to next question. 31 multiplied by 39. 1 multiplied by 9 we have to write 09 and next higher number of 3 is 4. 3 multiplied by 4 is 12. So 31 multiplied by 39 is 1209. 32 multiplied by 38. 8 times 2 is 16 and 3 multiplied by next higher number 4 which is 12. So 32 multiplied by 38 is 1216. Now 33 multiplied by 37. 7 times 3 is 21 and 3 times 4 is 12. And 34 multiplied by 36. 6 times 4 is 24 and 3 times 4 is 12. 35 multiplied by 35, 5 times 5 is 25 and 3 times 4 is 12. So 35 multiplied by 35 is 1225. Now 41 to 45, you do it by yourself. For the next 51 multiplied by 59, 9 times 1 is 9, we write 09, and 5, the next higher number of 5 is 6. So 5 multiplied by 6 is 30. So multiplication of 51 multiplied by 59 is 3009. Next is 52 multiplied by 58. 8 times 2 is 16, and 5 multiplied by next higher numbers 5 times 6 is 30. So multiplication of 52 multiplied by 58 is 3016. 53 multiplied by 57. 7 times 3 is 21 and 5 times 6 is 30. Similarly, 54 multiplied by 56. 6 times 4 is 24 and 5 times 6 is 30. And 55 multiplied by 55. 5 times 5 is 25 and 5 times 6 is 30. So 3025. Now 61 to 65, you do it by yourself. We are going to multiply 71 multiplied by 79. 9 times 1 is 9. We write 09 as we have to write the number in 2 digits. Then 7, the next higher number of 7 is 8. So 7 times 8 is 56. So our multiplication of 71 multiplied by 79 is 5609. Next number is 72 multiplied by 78. 8 times 2 is 16 and 7 times 8 is 56. 73 multiplied by 77. 7 times 3 is 21 and 7 times 8 is 56. So our answer of 73 multiplied by 77 is 5621. 74 multiplied by 76. 6 times 4 is 24 and 7 times 8 is 56. So our answer of 74 multiplied by 76 is 5624. Now 75 multiplied by 75. 5 times 5 is 25 and 7 multiplied by next higher number 8 is 56. So 75 multiplied by 75 is 5625. Now 81 to 85, you do it by yourself, and we go to next numbers. 91 multiplied by 99. So 1 multiplied by 9 is 09 and 9 multiplied by next higher number is 10. So 9 multiplied by 10 is 90. So 91 multiplied by 99 is 9009. 92 multiplied by 98. So 2 times 8 is 16 and 9 multiplied by next higher number is 10. 9 multiplied by 10 is 90. 93 multiplied by 97. 7 times 3 is 21 and 9 times 10 is 90. So our multiplication is 9021. 94 multiplied by 96. 6 times 4 is 24 and 9 multiplied by 10 is 90. So our answer for 94 multiplied by 96 is 9024. And 95 multiplied by 95 is 5 multiplied by 5 is 25 and 9 multiplied by 10 is 90. So 9025. Now we go to 101 multiplied by 109. Here again we see that the sum of the digit at one's place is 10 and other two digits are 10 in both the numbers. So 1 multiplied by 9 is 09 and 10 multiplied by next higher number is 11. So 11 multiplied by 10 is 110. So our multiplication of 101 multiplied by 109 is 11,009. Next is 102 multiplied by 108. So 8 multiplied by 2 is 16 and 10 multiplied by 11 is 110. So our multiplication is 11,016. 103 multiplied by 107. 7 multiplied by 3 is 21 and 10 multiplied by 11 is 110. Similarly, 104 multiplied by 106. 6 multiplied by 4 is 24 and 10 multiplied by 11 is 110. So the multiplication is 11,024. 105 multiplied by 105. So 5 times 5 is 25 and 10 multiplied by 11 is 110. So 105 multiplied by 105 is 11,025. Now we take few numbers at random, satisfying the condition that the sum of the digits at the ones place is 10 and the other digits are same. So 152 multiplied by 158. 8 times 2 is 16 and 15 multiplied by next higher number 16. 15 multiplied by 16 is 240. So the multiplication of 152 multiplied by 158 is 24,016. Next is 171 multiplied by 179. So 1 times 9 is 09 and 17 times next higher number 18. 18 multiplied by 17 is 306. So our multiplication of 171 multiplied by 179 is 30,609. Next is 183 multiplied by 187. 7 times 3 is 21 and 18 multiplied by next higher number 19. 18 multiplied by 19, we can write 19 as 20 minus 1. So 18 times 20 is 360 and minus 18, 360 minus 18 is 342. So 183 multiplied by 187 is 34,221. 142 multiplied by 148. 8 times 2 is 16 and 14 multiplied by 15 is 210. So multiplication of 142 multiplied by 148 is 21,016. 194 multiplied by 196. 4 times 6 is 24 and 19 times 20 is 380. So our multiplication of 194 multiplied by 196 is 38,024. This way we can multiply the numbers. The sum of digits at one place is 10 and the other digits, remaining digits are same. Then we have to adopt this method to multiply it fast. Here completes this video. Please like and share among your friends who are preparing for competitive exams and subscribe this channel. Also press bell icon to get the latest notifications.